everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to go through 21 business ideas that you can start and grow in 2021. So essentially, we're doing 21 business ideas for 2021. It has a nice ring to it, doesn't it? The pandemic has really changed the way people consume products and services, so it's important to take into account the new normal. The business ideas outlined in this video take advantage of the changes that are happening around us today. Some require no money to get started, while others require a small amount of money, and then just a few of these ideas need a large investment to get going. Let me know in the comments which of these business ideas you'd like me to break down a little further this year so that you have the right information to get started and succeed. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, you know what to do. You have to like this video so that I know that you actually enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos. That you're going to take a look at is starting an online or virtual event planning business. In 2020, so many events were held online, from the BET Awards to live English Premiership League matches, all those things. Research shows that 93% of event marketers plan to invest in virtual events going forward. 2020 was also the year for Zoom meetings, and we all know how boring those can be. To run a successful virtual event company, you need to be creative and think outside the box so that your sessions are far more interesting than regular online calls. From weddings, bridal showers, birthdays, baby showers, and award ceremonies. These are all niches that you can explore. You'll need to connect with a lot of local restaurant owners, for example, who will make it easy for attendees to pick something off their menus and have food delivered to their doorstep. As a virtual planner, you can also make things interesting by making sure that each attendee receives their goodie bag just before the event to make things exciting. This is just me throwing around ideas right now. The next business idea is selling male grooming or personal care products. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this industry is estimated to be worth more than $80 billion by 2024. Men's personal care products cover niches such as hair care, skin care, facial makeup, serums, eye makeup, shaving essentials, oral care, bath essentials, and nail care. Thanks to the lockdowns, beards are gaining popularity. Maybe not by choice, but still, they're gaining momentum. These need a lot of products to maintain, so there's a lot of money to be made here. The male grooming products market has also been increasing as more male consumers are becoming more conscious about their wellness and personal appearance. Website flipping is becoming a new trend. Website flipping is essentially the buying and selling of websites. You'll be buying an existing website that is not active for a number of reasons, and then optimize it in terms of Google ranking, SEO, and then driving traffic to the website, and then you sell it along with the domain at a higher price. As more and more businesses are being forced to move online, you'll find that websites are now the bread and butter for most businesses. You can buy a website for a couple $100, improve it, and then resell it for thousands or even millions of dollars. Websites like Flipper, Trade My Site, Free Market, and Digital Point Forum are just some of the platforms where you can sell or auction your websites. If there's anything that I learned in 2020, I don't know about you, but it is how hard it can be to find a doctor when you are in a crisis. You can start a Find a Doctor Near You service or Find a Doctor Near Me service, where there are different doctors who are signed up to your platform, and potential customers can chat with them and get information on their availability to help with their health problems. It can be a very geographic specific type of business where you focus on a specific country or town so that you really narrow it down and target a more profitable niche. This directory can be available via an app or a website. The next business idea for 2021 is a security or surveillance drone company. You'll basically be keeping an eye on operations, people, buildings, and other valued assets from above using drones. You can focus on drones with special features such as thermal capabilities, no noise, and HD capabilities, or those with sniffers that can be used to track poachers in national parks. Drones may need a large investment to get started, but are cheaper and safer in the long run, considering that you do not need a lot of manpower to operate them. You can even focus on niching down to providing security drone services to farms and warehouses. The next business idea is around selling products related to sleep optimization. These are simply products that help people to sleep better at night, from comfy duvets, gravity blankets, to contour memory foam pillows, and even mattress toppers. You can literally consider anything that helps people to manage back pain, neck pain, or any other issues that affect a person's sleep. Who remembers this duvet set? I know I do. I couldn't go onto any Facebook forum or online marketplace without seeing an ad for one of these. People like comfort, and anything that helps them to sleep like a baby is a winner. You can also consider selling blue light filter glasses, which people are wearing these days to block blue light from the computer or phone and helps them to sleep better at night. If you have a good eye for beautiful things to place around the house, then starting an online interior design business is for you. We're living in times that people are spending a lot of time in their homes and just want a space that is safe, welcoming, and comfortable. So it makes sense to start a business that focuses on helping people to create a home that they can actually enjoy spending their time in. You can start small by creating an Instagram or Pinterest page that shares information on the latest trends in home decor and functional gadgets. People will start to come to you for recommendations on how to upgrade their spaces. With time, you can then start sourcing some of the products yourself and then resell them online. These days, companies and even some homeowners are looking for professional deep cleaning services. They need people to come in and clean their spaces from top to bottom to make sure that their offices and homes are super clean, to minimize the spread of germs, viruses, and also to stay in line with health protocols. You can niche down to coronavirus cleaning that focuses specifically on cleaning a space to make sure that it's COVID-free, or green cleaning products, which actually focuses on using products that do not harm the environment. You'll need a fresh and clean website for this type of business so that companies can take you seriously. If you're looking at targeting homeowners, then a social media account will be just enough for you to get started. A home-based catering business is another great idea to consider for 2021. If you love to cook, then this idea is for you. You can prepare snacks for those who are working from home and do not have time to cook. You can also focus on packed lunches and random meals to go. You can even niche down your business into vegan or organic food only type of services and then take it from there. The next business idea is a website or mobile app testing service. If there are dozens of companies that are willing to pay you to sign up on their platform and test websites, why can't you start a website testing business of your own? With this type of business, you'll help your customers test how their websites respond to users with different devices or who are from different countries. You can check browser compatibility with those type of devices as well. You can just design a whole business where you go through an entire website layout, you check out sign-up links, you identify bugs, and then you share the feedback with your customers. Online reselling is the ultimate plug for 2021. Self-care at home is currently trending at the moment, and it's also an interesting niche that you can explore as people look for ways to relax and de-stress from home. You can consider selling aroma diffusers, scented candles and candle holders, bathtub caddies, comfy silk pajamas and sweatpants, basically anything that helps someone to feel comfy in their home. With the increased consumption of online video content, there is a demand for video editors, so starting a video production business is a great idea. You can target YouTubers like myself who are super overwhelmed with their regular job and constantly struggle to find time to edit their videos. There are also many series, skits, and short films that are now being published online, and those are great niches to get into. All you'll need to do is to download some video editing software and learn the basics of how to edit videos, and then improve your skills as you grow. Starting a courier company, now this is a no-brainer. Lockdowns have forced people to stay indoors for long periods of time and make online purchases. This year, we have been buying all our back-to-school items for my daughter online. We're only leaving the house to buy whatever we can't find online. Anyone can start a courier service as long as they have reliable transportation that can get them from point A to point B on a daily basis. Your means of transportation can be a car, a bike, a van, or even a truck, just in case you intend to deliver large packages. Niches with the most potential for 2021 are groceries, medical supplies, school supplies, laptop accessories, alcohol, home and office food and delivery orders online, for even retail outlets as well. There's money to be made in the delivery or courier business. The demand for mobile pet groomers is on the rise. Due to lockdowns, some people are actually turning their attention towards pets for companionship, and these pets are increasingly being considered as members of the family. So many pet owners are now humanizing their furry friends by giving them the same luxuries that they enjoy themselves, from pet spas to pet hotels. The startup costs for this type of business are super low, and you can work your own hours. There's also the potential to diversify and add more services, such as maybe dog walking or pet sitting. The next business idea is a mobile beauty bar or hair salon. If you already know how to do hair, look after your skin, or have a genuine interest in all things beauty and self-care, you can try this idea. You'll have to buy mobile equipment that you can move around with and visit your customers. You can do hair, lash extensions, facials, skin peels, or manicures. Research actually says that mental health is going to be one of the biggest pandemics that we're going to have to face in 2021. Lockdowns have worsened depression and stress-related illnesses. The counseling services business may actually thrive in 2021. Even if you aren't skilled, you can hire consultants who are qualified to provide the services, and then you can grow your business from there. The pandemic has left so many parents stranded with kids in their homes, struggling to find babysitters and tutors to help out with their homework. Tutors and babysitters have also been left in difficult situations as they're also struggling to secure gigs due to the lockdowns. Starting a business that connects both parents and service providers on a single platform like a website or app can be a win. To start off, you can provide these services for people in your specific area or town. Build a solid directory by getting tutors and babysitters to register their details and then promote their services to your customers. If you know how to sell businesses online or drive traffic to websites, then you should consider starting a content writing business. Businesses of all kinds need content writers, from blogs, online stores, to even universities. Although this type of business may be highly competitive right now, there are still some very interesting niche markets that you can even explore, such as writing content for product pages for online shops, video scripts for YouTubers like myself, ebooks, and then tech-related stuff, maybe for blogs and items. Online teaching as a business in 2021, we can't run away from this even if we tried, so we just have to talk about it. I know I've mentioned it so many times in my other videos, but really guys, what are we gonna do? We're stuck at home. The demand for online teaching keeps growing. There'll always be people who want to learn a second language, or parents who need someone to help them out with their kids' homework. So definitely this is something that you can consider, online teaching at home. The next business idea is starting your own consulting business. Think about a topic that you can talk about for more than 30 minutes with very little preparation. A topic that you know you're very knowledgeable in and you're passionate about. You can start off as a one-man show and then start adding other consultants to your team over time. The consultants do not even need to be full-time employees, but people who come and work on a project and then they disperse when it's done. A typical a la carte type of consulting firm. Design the framework of your business such that you can run it from home and online. An online dating consulting company is definitely something to consider in 2021. I just had to slide it in there right at the bottom of the list. But still, it made it. With people stuck at home now more than ever, where else are they going to connect with other people other than online? An online dating consultant helps people navigate the complicated online dating world and help well-matched couples to find each other and grow their relationship online. You can consider being a relationship coach, a dating coach, or just help people to level up their dating profiles on different online dating websites. Okay, so we've come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. We've gone through 21 business ideas for 2021. We've covered so many industries, from consulting to technology to homeware to all the different things that we really need to start considering and really thinking about as things have changed around us. Do share your feedback in the comments. I'd really like to know what you thought about this video. Don't forget to share it with anyone that you believe might actually benefit from this video. And you know what? Like the video. I need to know if you enjoyed it or not. And of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Yada, yada, yada. You know the things we talk about at the end of the video. But anyway, thank you so much, guys. If you managed to stick around to the end, then I really hope I was making sense. And I'd like to hear from you guys. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your day or your week or your weekend. And yeah, have a good one. Bye.